Hey all! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute sheet music ornaments. They make great gifts and are really easy. So let's get started. We're using 1/8 inch basswood for this project, but since there's no tabs or connecting joints, you can use any type of wood and any thickness. You can also resize these with no issue. Now sand all the burned residue off. For this particular design, you only need to sand both sides of the back piece. All the other pieces, you only need to sand the front side. Be sure to clean the dust out of the engraving. You can use compressed air or even a vacuum, really whatever you have on hand. Now let's add a pop of color. I like to use diluted acrylic paint or gel stain. I'll be sure to put a list of all the materials and tools in the description below. These ornaments don't take much time or material, and people love them. If you're going to make your own designs, be sure to use songs that are public domain, or alter the lyric and the sheet music melody so you don't run into copyright infringement. I also have a few of these as a digital download for sale on my website. To assemble, use a good quality wood glue. We like to use an inexpensive paintbrush. This helps create even strokes when you're applying to the wood. Now match up the bottom piece and the top piece and press together. You can check to make sure the pieces match better by looking from the back. Once all your pieces are in place and dry, seal this with your favorite finish. I often use shellac for this. You should let this completely dry before adding your string and packaging. And here's the final result. They really look so good, and they take no time at all to make. They're perfect for last-minute gifts or holiday craft shows. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Leave any of your questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.